Welcome to MoreCustomersApp admin panel. Log into your online store and click on View Site on top right corner for present website layout. To edit present layout, come back to admin panel and click on Edit Homepage button. It will take you to editor of your website. You are now in Theme Editor. On right pane, you will have all the blocks added or to be added on website. On left pane, you can see the changes. Let's add new blocks of products, sponsor, WhatsApp subscriber and display. Select products block. Choose new arrivals layout. Drag to left pane and place wherever you need on website. You can see the newly added block on left pane. Now on right pane, you can see the settings of block. With these block you can change the title of block. If you want to show sub, category or category products, just add their respective path. Or if you need tag-wise product, then add the product tag. Similarly, you select sponsor block, choose which layout you need and drag to left pane and place it where you want to display. Change the images and other settings as needed. Continue with all other blocks in same way. After all changes, don't forget to click on Save button on top of the editor. If you don't save the changes, your website will not reflect the new changes done. Similarly, to change any block, repeat the steps till you open editor. Now select the block that you want to edit in left pane. Once you select the block on right side, it will show its settings. Change it accordingly. Again, don't forget to click on Save button. Go to your website and do refresh. See the blocks added or changed as per your requirement.